सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते।
My name is Vijay Amarnath. I am coming from Chennai. This is my second session. Earlier I did my batch for the Sri Vidya 1 to 3. It was so different, very powerful experience, because when we started practicing, we were able to realize that a lot of changes were happening in the background. So I was very thrilled to attend the next 4 levels, which was 4, 5, 6 and 7, which is ending today. And I believe this is going to also give me a wonderful experience. I have been spiritually inclined since 98, 99. I've been to various places. I've been doing a lot of other methods and meditations. But this method was completely very unique. The reason being there was a lot of knowledge transfer that was happening. The informations were given on the types of devatas and how we are connected with Sri Vidya, how Lalita Tripurasundari is the center of all the devatas, and very clear explanation by Guruji Premanandji. And I am very proud that I am now coming under the lineage of Mulavarga, which actually starts from Shiva and then followed by Nandiji and then Mulanji and then Shivagami, and then now it is with Sri Premanandji. Everything, whatever may be the doubts, every doubts were very slowly, humbly was clarified, and that was very, very unique. A lot of time he was able to explain on various siddhis and various techniques, the importance of chakra meditations and so many things. The entire experience was very unique. And we find people coming from all walks of life, all age of life, even from foreign countries. People come here, they attend and then they leave. It is very well established, and earlier I was not aware that we have such a wonderful lineage under Tirumularji. Now it is so happy, and we also get to learn a lot of devatas, their importance, and the right kind of mantras that is required to invoke these devatas. So on the whole, if somebody is willing to get themselves spiritually evolved, learn a lot of methods, understand the true rituals of attainment, and somebody is thinking of getting a spiritual evolution, then I would suggest this is a very good place, because a lot of energies, a lot of fulfilling thoughts, and more than that, we get a complete contentment after completing the course. So I am happy, and I've been blessed to have gained such a knowledge and such a tremendous experience by attending these sessions. Today I have completed the level 7 of Sri Vidya. I am very thrilled to practice and invoke Goddess in my life. Thank you, the whole nature, for bringing this to me and giving this opportunity. I would suggest that all the people who would want to get into the spirituality will get blessed here when they come here. And I am always grateful to the lineage of Rishis and Siddhas here, and also my special namaskaras to Guruji Premanandji for all the support and effort that he is taking for the upliftment of the society at large. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Samir. I'm from Mumbai. I have joined Sri Vidya Sadhana in December. This has improved my health, very drastically. Also, life balance has been improved with the Sri Vidya Sadhana. I also did the Saundarya Lahari and Karma Shuddhi program last month, which was very helpful and which has enlightened me. Also, one of the bigger cause to join this was to understand the purpose of life, and Guruji is helping us to and enlightening us and giving us the teachings to understand more what is the purpose and how we can reach out to those purpose and the activity what we are why we are born for. So thank you Guruji for all the support and all the education which you provided.
Narayani Namostute.
सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते।
Namaste. Devi has always been my Isht, and I was always looking for some sort of sadhana which would take me deeper, and I kept looking, asking, but I didn't find anything, and I never subscribed to the theories that people would have that if you want to progress spiritually, materially, you will not do well, or if you are in the material, then you cannot be spiritual. I never saw these two as two separate things. So when I started searching for something that would give me a blend of both and would not see material opposite to spirituality or spirituality opposed to materialism and living a good life, I did a Google search. I chanced upon Sri Vidya Sadhana by Shri Premanandji. And when I read what was written, explaining, describing the Sri Vidya, I felt that this is the sadhana that I should go in for, and I was not wrong. It's been a beautiful experience. I like the fact this sadhana is very internal focused. It is more about internal meditation, internal japa, rather than rituals outside. It's been a very deep and a very personally satisfying and enriching experience for me, and I hope to continue my sadhana. I finished all my levels, but my practice is on still of the first level. But it's been a very, very beautiful experience for me.
When I came to Sri Vidya and Karma Shuddhi, I was not a believer and I did not want to be initiated into anything. But after I came here, my intellect was satisfied and I found everything very logical. and I turned into a believer. And I have been practicing Sri Vidya for 9 months now, and I've seen a lot of positive changes in my life. And I'm very glad to have been associated with Guru Parampara.
शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते
Hi, I'm Pratibha. I have been associated here with this courses for Sri Vidya and couple of other courses which I have attended, like Dash Mahavidya, Karma Shuddhi Kriya, and today's workshop was really marvelous. It was so pretty beautiful that I started enjoying the session from the beginning, and the mantra started giving me a very fast effect. Like I started memorizing it even on the first go of reading it, and Guruji really explained it in such a way that how it will affect in the long way of Sri Vidya Sadhana. And thank you so much.
शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते
सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते
Hi everyone, I am Bhushan Gupta from Amravati, Maharashtra. Experience was very good, and I want to say Guru Premanand ji is fabulous, mind blowing. I must say the course is relevant and worth it, because from which and we can transform ourselves from negative to positive, and after doing this sadhana I knew that what is the purpose of my life. Fabulous, mind blowing, and thank you all team.